The following movie presents our mobile robot Marvin. It is capable of three-dimensional reconstruction of environmental models with its binocular stereo system. The stereo system uses rectified straight line segments in the images for three-dimensional reconstruction. The following example shows the robot exploring an unknown environment. It acquires the initial data about the environment in a 360-degree turn, compensating the limited field of view. The acquired data needs to be filtered in consecutive frames. This is done in the input data loop between the sensor system and the dynamic local map DLM. An example for the reconstruction data. The local map stores the data as line segments at the abstraction level of the sensor system. It decouples the sensor data processing from the interpretation modules in the yellow field. These modules analyze and complete the data, generating hypothetical line segments to be verified by the sensor system. Once the entire 360 degrees field of view was inspected, the robot picks a new goal for additional inspection based on amount of ambiguous data in this region, hypotheses generated by the interpretation modules, and the coverage of the free space. In this example, the charging station resulted in most ambiguous data because the straight line approximation of the cables does not allow correct reconstruction. The robot plans its path to the new goal based on the diffusion algorithm, guaranteeing a safe distance to all detected objects in the world. An example of the planning map is shown in the lower right corner. The last example shows the ability of the system to plan paths through relatively narrow passages, keeping safe distances to the obstacles. The presented system is capable of autonomous exploration of the local area segment in a specified amount of time. It plans its actions depending on the quality of the reconstructed data and the amount of time available for the current task.